Loco, tu mujer una perra, una diabla. Mira cómo me ladra y me dice, loco, tu mujer una perra.
Hey guys, welcome. Oh fuck, I can't talk. I'm Tracy in case you do not recognize me. This video was requested by one of my really close friends by the name of Chelsea, and she wanted me to do a werewolf, so this is what I did. Hopefully you guys do like this look. If you do want to see how I came about this look, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Okay guys, so that is it for this look. I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. And I do apologize for my voiceover. My mic completely went out. If you guys did like this look, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. Giving my video a thumbs up helps my video get out there and be seen by other people. So I really appreciate your guys' love and support. And happy Halloween. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.